On 19th September, when clock struck 7:25 a.m., Chaudhry Aslam Khan, a top cop in the Crime Investigation Department, woke up to the deafening sound of a blast, shaking his nerves and turning his house into a mess of concrete rubble. Intended target, Khan narrowly escaped a brazen assassination attempt. Undeterred, Khan walked through litter of broken glass and twisted vehicles, investigating the crime scene himself. He vowed to teach merchants of death a lesson like never before.
इन्होंने शेर के मुंह में हाथ दिया है, इनको इनका अंजाम पता चल जाएगा। बगैर बुलेट प्रूफ गाड़ी के पूरे शहर को पता है, घूमता हूँ।
With intense infrastructural damage, the attack bore hallmark of criminals' desperate determination to eliminate Officer Khan. At the spot, a plainclothed official also showed me a human hand and some organs. For law enforcer like SSP Aslam Khan, combating crime in Karachi is a never-ending war fought daily. And it has a terrible price to pay, evident from a bomb attack that ripped his house apart, killing at least 8 people, including 3 police officials. Luckily, SSP Aslam Khan escaped unhurt. Khan's tough stance against criminals earned him countless enemies, and so has Officer Nasrullah Khan, present at the blast site which falls under his jurisdiction. Nasrullah told me terrorist acts like such cannot weaken their resolve to bust crime.
मुझ समेत चौधरी असलम साहब ये जितने भी पुलिस अफसरान हैं जो जराइम के ख़िलाफ़ या इन जराइम पेशा अनासर के ख़िलाफ़ जो हमारे मुल्क के दुश्मन हैं, जो इस मुल्क की सालमियत के दुश्मन हैं, जो जंग लड़ रहे हैं, एक सिपाही से लेकर आईजी तक, हमारा आज़म वैसे ही है.
With a spirit like SSP Aslam Khan and Officer Nasrullah, paramilitary rangers and police are now sweeping Karachi's troubled spots, searching outlaws, unearthing torture chambers, exhuming victims of targeted killings, and de-weaponizing gangster-run neighborhoods, including Liari.
पुलिस ने कुछ तकरीबन 2000 से ज़्यादा रेड्स किए और इन रेड्स में कुछ 1478 लोग हमने अरेस्ट किए और इसी असना में ये मैं बहुत काबिल ज़िक्र है कोई 48 के करीब हमने टारगेट किलर्स वो अरेस्ट किए.
ऑपरेशन के दौरान बेसिकली टारगेट जो किए गए लोग वो थे जो क्रिमिनल्स थे. भारी मिकदार में जो है वो असला, एमुनेशन और उसके अलावा ड्रग्स जो हैं वो काफ़ी तादाद में जो हैं वो यहाँ से जो है बरामद हुई.
Law enforcers' drive to clean up city did not spare even politicians like Bashir Qureshi, chairman of GSN Qaumi Mahaz. He was the first high-profile political figure rounded up by rangers. Qureshi was booked under Section 13D and 13E for possessing illegal arms.
Repeaters, M16s, SMGs, 1,000 rounds of bullets. All of these weapons have been recovered from one person's house who is allegedly associated with a nationalist political party. This weaponry is good enough to wage a war.
I met Qureshi at his house in Gulshan-e-Hadid after he was bailed out to find out why he was possessing prohibited bow weapon like M16.
M16 इधर आज भी जो असले के स्टोर हैं उस पर आज भी पैसों से मिलती हैं. आर्म स्टोर से मैंने ख़रीदी है, उसकी रसीद मेरे पास है, वो दुकान अभी तक मौजूद है. मैंने लाइसेंस की सालाना फ़ीस जमा कराई है. मेरा वो लाइसेंस जो है सो 1998 में बना था जो है.
To verify his claim, Qureshi showed me copy of license and verification letter of court for M16 guns. He holds 8 arms licenses, 3 of them authorizing him to carry 2 guns on each and also 3 licensed SMGs with 1,000 rounds on each. With 2 deadly life attempts in past, Qureshi is dependent upon safety of weapons now. Ranger's cleanup drive has now left him only with this 9mm pistol that his brother owns. However, a known fact is that law enforcers targeted and even-handed sweeps in Karachi's dangerously notorious slums are yielding results.
लियारी टाउन की अगर आप बात कर लें, 18 टाउन है आपके कराची शहर के, इसमें अगर एक टाउन को अगर आप लेते हैं तो उसमें मुख्तलिफ यूनियन काउंसिल्स हैं, जिसमें हमें ये इत्तला मिलती है कि इसमें क्रिमिनल्स कंफर्मेशन जिनकी है इंटेलिजेंस बेस करते हुए, तो हम उनके खिलाफ जाते हैं.
While combating violent crime in Karachi, security officials like SSP Aslam Khan, SHO Nasrullah Khan and Brigadier Wasim Ayoub are among few law enforcers who are risking their lives to hold the line against anarchy in Karachi. Sabeen Agha, Express 24/7, Karachi.